password makes our account secure, and changing the password makes your accounts more secure. That's why it is recommended to change your account's passwords from time to time. In this video, you will learn how to update your Ancestry account password and username. So, without wasting any time, let's start the video. Welcome to Family Tree Maker Support, the best place to get genealogy program support. How to update Ancestry password. 1. Open your Ancestry account using a username and password. 2. Go to the account setting by clicking your name or photo. 3. Your account details will show as you click on the account settings. 4. Click on your password. As you click on the password, you will see the password update options. 5. Enter the new password. Write your new password again in Confirm Password. After this, enter your current password and click on the Update Password. Your password will be updated. How to change your Ancestry username. 1. To change your Ancestry username, again go to your Ancestry account settings. 2. Now this time, click on the username. 3. As you click on the username option, you will see a new window where you can easily enter the new username. 4. Enter your new username that you want to choose. 5. Hit the Update Username button and your Ancestry username will be updated. This is how you can easily update your Ancestry password and username. To get any help, call our toll-free number 1-800-697-1474 or visit our site. Please like, share, and subscribe to the channel if you have not subscribed yet.